What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Vending, and today we're starting off a new series on my channel. I'm actually going to be completely refurbishing this 1-cent toy and joy machine, and I'm going to teach y'all how to do it on the way. I'm completely winging this. It's going to be a frame-off restoration, completely thinning it down. I'm going to change the color to blue, and it should already be unlocked, so I can show y'all for this episode, or this part 1, we're going to just be taking everything apart on it. It has the key. I had to get another one remade because I actually bought this at an antique shop for like 40 bucks. But it didn't have a key, so I had to get one made. Here, this should already be unlocked. Yep. There's the mechanism part of this. This thing's in pretty good condition, so shouldn't have to do much work on that. Then inside the machine, see where everything is. And then here's the coin catcher. Like I said, this is a 1-cent machine, so it only takes pennies. And as you see in there, that's the mechanism. We're actually going to flip it on its top. Like you see, it's also really rusty. It's pretty rusty. Sorry. Then you can see down here, to unlock the top on these machines, you actually have to spin this around. The little spinny handle thing. I believe it's right way. Actually, I'm going the completely wrong way. There. Now we're starting to ease up now. Now I believe the top is loose. Yep. This one ain't normal. You see, you gotta actually screw on top. It's like the other combo machine I had. Screw on lock. Then as you see, the inside is really dirty. It looks like it has some mold growing, so I'm gonna have to really rinse that out. This machine does work. Let me go find a penny right quick. There should be one over here somewhere on the floor. Yep, right back there. Like I said, my room's a mess right now. So there's gonna be no problem finding a penny or something. Shove the penny up in there. Yeah, everything works. It's a 1-cent gumball machine, so like there's no chance of me actually putting it back inside a store. Those gumballs cost 3 cents a piece, so like why would you put it into a store? But this machine is from so old ago. It's a glass front, so it can get cracked easily. And the inside, all metal. There is no plastic on this machine. This is like a vinyl plastic thingy for the little sticker. So I wouldn't count that as a plastic. But yeah, then the inside. Let me get a screwdriver right quick, guys. Here we go. We're just gonna start taking this apart one by one. Oh, this might not be a big enough one. Shoot. Yeah, it's probably not a big enough. Yeah, it's not a big enough screwdriver. 1 second, guys. Let me go over here to see if I got another screwdriver. Actually, maybe not. Well, I don't know if I got another screwdriver or not. No, I don't have another screwdriver. So this is going to be probably the end of where this stops at for today. And tomorrow morning, because it's like 1:30, 2 o'clock while I'm recording this. So it's going to have to be till tomorrow till we pick up this video, which is going to be part 2 next time. I'm just going to do the rest of this off camera. And sorry for the bad quality. It's on my iPhone. Right now I don't have a good camera. So, yeah, all you gotta do is unscrew the rest of these screws, as you see in here. Like I said, I was gonna try to do this step by step, but I didn't have a screwdriver on me. And yeah, so what I'm gonna have to do is just unscrew all these screws, and then there's a bolt on the side here. Gotta unscrew both of these. There's another one like right there, but it's too dark for you to see. And this would come off on the side. There's one on both sides, and that actually frees up the bottom part and this part, and then that should be able to come off. And then I believe after that you should be able to like pick this right up, like where the whole thing right here, pick it on up. And yeah, I'm gonna have to probably sand down this whole thing, and I'm gonna have to I'm gonna like water hose it as much as I can to get all the dirt and mess. Then I'm gonna give it a big soapy bath to finish it off. And like all the sides are rusty. But bro, I only paid like 40-45 bucks for this thing, so it's not bad. But look at that bottom; it's not even that good. Yeah. And that hole, that's not even. Look at that. That's just a little pin holding the pole in. Bro, I love my new iPhone. Oh, that's a spider web. I think that's a dead spider in it. Yeah, it's going to need a major cleaning, which we'll do next video. Next video will probably be cleaning. So I'll catch y'all then. Thanks.